Alright, so right here we have the Vicrez Auto Cure Restore Pro for vinyl, plastic, and rubber, VAC 103. And this product is perfect for anything in your car, on your car that has vinyl, plastic, and rubber. Alright, so right now we're going to use the vinyl for the Restore Pro on the plastic and the vinyl part that we have. So there's instruction on the back of the box and of the bottle. And there's 5 steps right here. So the first step is you want to shake the bottle well and attach the nozzle. Step 2 is on the surface or any area you want to apply this on, you want to clean it off first and wipe any dust clean first. All right, so right now we're going to clean off the surface real quick. So we have the Water This Pro car wash, and we're going to spray it and wipe it down real quickly. Alright, so after we wipe it down, clean a little bit, we're gonna apply the Restore Pro that we have here onto the vinyl.
Space.
Alright, as you can see, after cleaning it and applying the Restore Pro, the vinyl of the car looks much cleaner, much shinier. It's more protective now, since we have to apply this with the outer layer. Like I said, if you just want to maintain this look, you want to apply this regularly to keep that new look that we have right here.